Alright, boys and girls, we're going to read a book called The Legend of Ninja, Cowboy, Bear by David Bruins and Hilary Lynn. Once upon a time, there were three friends, a ninja, a cowboy, and a bear. They did everything together and enjoyed each other's company. However, they were each different in their own way. One day those differences came between them, and here is what happened. The ninja and the bear began to quarrel. Boys and girls, to quarrel means to argue, or fight, or not get along with someone else. The ninja thought he was better than the bear. The bear disagreed. So they asked the cowboy to decide who was better. Unable to choose between his friends, the cowboys arranged a competition to see who could build the largest pile of rocks. Although the ninja tried his best, in the end his pile was much smaller than Bear's. So the bear boasted that he was unbeatable. The cowboy disagreed. He thought he could beat the bear, and they began to argue. So they asked the ninja to decide who was better. Unable to choose between his friends, the ninja created a competition to see who could pick the most raspberries. Although the bear tried his best, he could not collect nearly as many raspberries as the cowboy. So the cowboy claimed that no one could beat him. The ninja disagreed, and another argument began. So they asked the bear to decide who was better. Unable to choose between his friends, the bear created a competition to see who could catch the most rabbits. Although the cowboy tried his best, he could not catch as many rabbits as the ninja. Afterwards, the three friends were confused. They still did not know who was the best. Frustrated, they parted ways. The ninja spent time in quiet meditation. The bear consulted with a wise old friend. And the cowboy took to the hills. And soon they each realized something very important. The ninja appreciated the bear's great strength. The bear wondered at the cowboy's precision and accuracy. The cowboy was in awe of the ninja's agility. The ninja, the cowboy, and the bear recognized that no one had to be the best. They were each special and unique, just like you and me. The end. What a great story, boys and girls. We can appreciate each other's strengths that we have, and we're all different, but that's okay because we're good at different things. Now let's go ahead and draw a picture of us playing well with our friends, getting along and having fun together. And thank you for joining me.